On startup, that's actually quite a bit quieter than I expected. So this is normal talking voice. The exhaust tip is right there. This is normal conversation voice. You can hear trucks and things going on. Well, these two are out, but you're probably going to have to break out the assault ratchet. I picked up one of these 20 volt DeWalt XRs, and it is absolutely astonishing. They developed it for their NASCAR team, and I have used it a lot on this truck. So there's a few things that need to still happen. I have hangers on either side. Make sure to hit all of them with oil, because they will be really difficult to actually get off. Then there's one at the back side of the muffler, you can see there, and then there's another one on the other side holding up the other part of the tailpipe. So we're going to take all of those off and then drop this whole exhaust, but we're going to have to make a cut at the tailpipe back there where it goes over the axle in order to get it out. With the old system out, one cut right in front of where the passenger side half shaft is in the back. The whole thing comes out actually pretty easily. It's fairly heavy. The new system is quite a bit lighter, but it's also much larger diameter. So this is 2 3/4. The new one is 3-inch. So the factory exhaust Y pipe is 3-inch. That'll make the flow a little bit more efficient instead of necking down right here down to 2 3/4. Do yourself a favor, hit all the parts with a little bit of wax and grease remover. Get all that garbage off. Make them all nice and clean. Make sure to spray paint the B there into the surface. These are aluminized, so they'll have a tendency to want to rust a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit them with a little VHT, and I use the silver a lot just because it blends in with a lot of things. And yeah, we're going to shoot these a quick bit of silver and then toss them up in there. They're going to get a little scratched and whatnot during install, but that's okay. On startup, that's actually quite a bit quieter than I expected. So this is normal talking voice. The exhaust tip is right there. This is normal conversation voice. You can hear trucks and things going on in the background. All kinds of things. Give you a little view of what the fit and finish looks like. Uses the factory hangers. I had to crank down on the exhaust clamps pretty tight, but I don't hear any leaks. And then it goes up and over the axle. Down and out the back. Pretty clean. I'm really impressed. I expected there to be a little more aggressiveness, but at idle this is actually really quiet. I'm impressed. Let's go for an in-cab listen. So in cab, this is with the air down low. You can hear my amplifier singing because I installed an amp. Look in some of my other videos in the series on this truck for that install video. This is with music going. There's radio essentially off. You basically can't hear it at all. And if I turn the air up, there we go. If I turn the air up, you can't hear the exhaust over the air, literally. So I'll see if I can get a driving clip later, because I'm going to go pick up a bumper for this guy. So that's going to be fun. Yeah, stay tuned for that video too. That'll be another one that's in the group. Nice. This is going to give it a nice clean rev, and there shouldn't really be any drone at all. So that's going to be a great sound. And then eventually when I get new tires, that stupid warning for tire pressure monitoring will go away. And then we'll have a very completely reconditioned 180,000 mile truck. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all those good things. And I will catch you next time.